When talking about Enugu State, you must have heard us mention Enugu Main City, Nsukka, Obolafo, or even Ogu. Well, today we want to introduce you to a new part of Enugu we probably have not made a video about before, but now we bet is going to be the next big thing. Welcome to 9th Miles, Enugu. 9th Miles is not just a major junction in Enugu, it is an industrial hub of its own, and it is located in the Udi local government area of Enugu State. The name 9th Mile comes from its approximate distance from Enugu City. So where we are currently standing at now is approximately 9 miles from Enugu. So during the colonial era, when the British engineers were building roads and linking major cities, they calculated the distance between this position to Enugu City, and it was about 9 miles. And guys, that was how the name just stuck. So this is 9th Mile in Enugu. In the past, 9th Mile was a crucial transport and trade route. So during the early development of Enugu, where Enugu was well known for coal mining, this was a major transport and trade route. Today, this area has grown to be an important economic and logistics hub, especially due to its strategic location. As you can see, we are currently along Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, and all of these axes we are currently at is already 9th Mile. Yes, so we are already in 9th Mile, but we are going to be taking a turn to our right, so we could go into the main town or city. Okay, I think it's a town, so we can go into the main town to really explore it. And it's really easy to know because there's this huge sculpture at the junction. So this is 9th Mile Junction, and I think that sculpture looks like a sculpture of Jesus Christ. Well, this road used to be really bad, as you could see a pothole in the clip we just passed. It used to be really bad, but now it's a whole lot better. The last time we came was about a year ago when we wanted to explore the Lion Business Park, because that is also located in 9th Mile here. That was when we came last, and that time the road was really bad, but now it's a whole lot better. So it made driving into 9th Mile a whole lot easier. 9th Mile is really at a very strategic location because it is at the crossroads of major highways connecting Enugu not just to Onitsha, but also Nsukka, Benue, and Kogi. So there's a road I'll be showing you in a bit from 9th Mile here where you can just take a trip straight to Benue. If it's your first time on our channel, is your first time coming across any of our videos, you're welcome to Aline TV. We are your favorite travel family, and today we're so excited to take you on this tour of this axis in Enugu. Please do well to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it, and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We appreciate all your support for our channel, and yes, congratulations to all of us on 25,000 subscribers. You see, our family is no longer as little as it used to be. Well, back to 9th Mile. Till date, 9th Mile is known for its industrial activities. We can even argue at this point that it has more industries than Enugu Main City. It hosts several companies such as the Nigerian Bottling Company. Those are the producers of Coca-Cola products. Also, Nigerian Breweries is also here in 9th Mile. Those are the producers of the Star Lager beer, Gulda, Maltina. 7-Up bottling plant is also in 9th Mile, as well as other industries. These industries contribute significantly to the economy of not just this area, but then Enugu State as a whole. We can't talk about 9th Mile without discussing how this area is also the primary source of almost all potable water used in Enugu town, except obviously for the ones from wells and streams. But when you talk about water in Enugu, you must definitely talk about 9th Mile, and yes, Ungu. So most of these bottled water companies or pure water companies, they are all stationed in 9th Mile because, you know, there's really no water issue around this side, and then it's very easy to transport straight from here to Enugu Main City. During our visit to 9th Mile, we decided to stop at a spot and try out their bushmeat, because we heard a lot of things about this bushmeat, and at this point we are really considering this one and the one we had at Eziago, which tasted better, because guys, this was so good. This place costed us about 20,000 plus, but guys, it was worth every bite. One thing I really liked was the fact that the roads were really neat. Yes, and I'm so glad that the whole cleanliness and sweeping nature of Enugu State is not just in the main city, but now it's even extending to all these other areas. It was really difficult to find trash on the road. The road was really neat, and I think that's a plus. As you can see, it was a semi-raining day when we visited, so the clouds are a bit dull, but then I'm sure you can still enjoy the view. So this road we are currently plying on is still part of 9th Mile. If you take your drive straight upward, it would be as though you're climbing on a hill, and that road forward leads to Ohum. Yes, that road leads to Ohum. But now we're going to be taking our left in a bit, and that road we're going to be diverting to at our left is also the road that leads to Benue. And yes, that's also the road that leads to Lion Business Park. So Lion Business Park is also located in 9th Mile. And yes, we also heard that the governor said he was going to move the spare parts market also to 9th Mile. So you see, no jokes when I told you that this is an industrial hub indeed. We hoped to visit the Lion Business Park on this trip, but then because of the rains and one or two things that were not in our favor, we're not able to take our trip down there. But we'll definitely be revisiting to really check out the Lion Business Park and know what's happening that way. We would also love to visit the spare parts market ourselves to see if people have started moving there from coal camp down to this axis. You know, the spare part market used to be at coal camp, but then the present administration led by Governor Peter Amba decided to bring it to 9th Mile to reduce the congestion in that axis in the main town. So hopefully soon we would be checking that out, and of course we'll be bringing all these videos to you. 9th Mile is a really booming residential area, so if you are planning to relocate to Enugu, you don't have to reduce your options to the main city alone. If you are into industrial activities, or you really want to start up something, you could also consider moving to this side of Enugu. It's really booming. There are a lot of factory workers, drivers, shop owners, and people that work in factories. They all stay around this side. And as you can see also, yes, one thing about this area is that they still use bikes, so you can see the Okada here and there. And when driving where there is bikes, you really want to be careful, because the way these bike men are, you don't want to trespass. But all in all, this is a highly commercialized area, and then we're so happy to see that it's still booming. And with all the plans that the government has for this area, we can tell that in the next 6 months to 1 year, this place is going to be really transformed. So fam, let me know in the comment section if you've been to 9th Mile before. We would really love to know. Yeah, because I know this is some people's village, right? Well, let us know if you've been here before, if it has changed compared to the last time you visited, and most importantly, if you happen to be from 9th Mile. Wow, we'll be so happy to get your rep in the comment section. So let us know. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos, and we'll catch you in our next video. Bye.